Hey there, my name is Alex from Bytes and Tickets, and today we're going to talk about Linktrees and how you can build yourself your own branded Linktree that looks like this for free in under 10 minutes. Okay, if you've been on Instagram for longer than a week, you may have seen Linktrees already. They all look the same, they all have these green buttons, for example. They look boring and they have a company name underneath, and it looks very unprofessional, I think at least. And I'm going to show you a way where you can create your own Linktree for free and have your branding on it and no company name except yours. So why should you have a Linktree in the first place? There are many reasons for that. The first one being you only have one chance to link from your Insta bio, and you want your clients or potential clients to have all the options that they need. You want to direct the people to the pages you want them to be on. So for example, it could be the contact page, the pricing page, or stuff like that. That's the first thing. You want it to be easily to navigate for your clients. Second reason is if you have multiple things on your site, multiple services you offer. For example, you are an event photographer, you're a wedding photographer, you're a portrait photographer, and maybe your Instagram is just purely weddings. You don't want them to be on that sites like event photography or stuff like that. And instead of just linking to your homepage, you can put the stuff in your Linktree that you want your clients to be in that come from Instagram. And if you have multiple businesses, for example, you run a preset shop, let's say you're a photographer and you sell presets as well, and you have your homepage, and photographers normally won't click through your homepage just to discover you have presets. So if you get a Linktree in your bio, you can easily say, click here for presets, and whoever clicks on that already sees what that's about and can go through. And the last reason, just be honest, it looks nice. If you don't just link to your homepage and if you get a beautiful branded Linktree, it looks professional. So we're gonna hop on the PC and I'm just gonna show you really quick how to do that. It's pretty easy and it's free. So there you go. Okay, so first thing you wanna type in canva.com. And if you don't have an account, just create one or log in with your Google account. It's totally free. There is a paid version, which I use, but you don't have to use that one. It's fully up to you. And then you're gonna click on this search bar here. And then you type in website, and there you see bio link website. You click on that one. So next up, you will have tons of templates to choose from. You can change the images, you can change the links, the colors, everything. You can just choose a template that you like, just scroll through and check them all out. And there are so many good looking, I mean, look at this one. And when it says free, then it means you can use it even if you don't have the pro version. Let's take this one, that's pretty modern, maybe even this one. So I just open it in a new tab, and then you go in this. You see this thing here, and now you can customize all your elements. And if you want to change this photos, for example, you just go to uploads. I have some images uploaded there already. Just take the image and then drag it over. And if you have it here somewhere, sometimes it will appear like this. And then you know you can just switch it out. Now here, the text isn't visible anymore and you want to change the font and everything. You can just go in, for example, and then you type your name, whatever. And if you want, you can change the font color, the thickness, how big it appears. You can go in here and say you want this font, change it up like that. And for this one, for example, we can't read it. So I just click on it and choose another color. Or if you have a specific brand color, you just click the plus here. And then you can even type in your brand color if you have a code for that. Or let's say we have this color here. And for the rest, I'm gonna close this. So the same goes for this photo. Everything, you can delete this, for example, if you don't want it, and change these ones around. Just name them like home. And if you want to drag things around, you can just click them with a mouse and easily drag them around. You can ungroup and group them. For example, this thing here is grouped. So if I move it, everything moves together. And you can just say ungroup, and then you can move the text and the box freely. Or if you want to group things, you just hold down Shift, click them both and click on group. So that's for the basics, and you can always delete everything that you want and click on the elements and just change the color at the top. For example, if let's say we want to change the background color, go in here, select this one, and maybe the patch down here, make it like this, and the color of the font, maybe more like this. You get what I mean. Now, the most important thing is how to change the links in here. So what I would do is, let's say this is your brand on top. You don't need to have that much text in there. I think less is more oftentimes. But let's say you want to add links here. You can just click this one, for example, where your homepage belongs. And then at the top right corner, click this one. Here it says link. And then you do something like this and just hit apply. Let's say preset shop, and you go, which is our link address, and then click on apply. And now you make all your links ready and clickable. And if you have that all done, you go to publish as website. And now you can change how, when you scroll, if you have a multi-page, you can even make a multi-page link tree. I wouldn't recommend that, but if you do, you can choose how you want it to scroll, like in a parallax effect or stuff like that. Normally, I just choose classic or scrolling. In most cases, I choose scrolling, and then you can open the website. Don't worry, it looks kind of weird here with all the negative space, but on phone it looks like this. And you've seen the animation. If I open it, it just slides in. And now if I click these links, they will open up. For example, our shop is here. You can scroll through, and if I go back, you see here at the top is your link. Now it says Canva, and you don't want that to be in there. So you just take that link, copy it, and then you go to this website, bit.ly, link shortener, click on it, and then select create. If you don't have an account, sign up, it's totally free as well. And then you can paste your URL in there, for example this, and yeah, you can customize the back half. Let's say you are called, let's say this is your business name. You customize that and you click save. Now you have the link. Link has been edited. So you just click on it and it redirects you to this page. So you can just take that link and put it into your Insta bio. And that way it won't look like this giant Canva link. And you just have this short thing and then your name behind it, or you can even try like Amanda Insta links or stuff like that. Sometimes the links are taken already, but in most cases they work and you can brand them that way. That's how I do it at least. And let's see. So everything is working here. And if you put this link that you created here now in your Insta bio, it will redirect people to this site right here. And if you want the page to have a title, put it in here, like Insta links. If you now go on publish and open it, it will say at the top Insta links. And if you shorten it, it will say Insta links as well. So that's how you do it. It's just so fast to do this. You just, for example, here you see the palm trees. I don't want them. I put them out on top as well. Take this one, make it a more brownish color, like this. Boom, boom. And there we go. It's already branded. If you just remove this logo, you can add elements as well from here. For example, if you have something camera related or stuff like that, you can just take these logos, maybe turn them into whitish, like this. And now you can just make them smaller and put them on the side here, for example. And there's nothing you can't do with this. You can link any element, you can make stuff like this, just export these options here. And you can put in so much, even videos or stuff like that. Don't go overboard with it, otherwise it may not work. But you can see the buttons here, like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. It's just the possibilities with this are totally endless. You can do whatever you want with it and you can customize it. This is just like very basic Linktree, but you can really go crazy with this, like have overlapping elements. I don't know what, it's I said you can create it very fast, but if you really want to play with it, you can take your time and explore all the options. There is so much you can add to this. Once you have it ready, you click publish, shorten it. And there's one very, very important last thing that I had learned the hard way. If you have the link shortened and in your Insta bio and you want to change something, let's say you want to change the links in here or add more or redesign this page, please remove the link from your Insta bio first for that time, make your changes and then put it back up. I didn't do this and instantly I received a message from Instagram that some actions on my profile were blocked, that my profile was recognized as spam. There was a post that was even deleted. The bio link disappeared and my reach dropped. I don't know why, but if you change an active link or contents of an active link in your Insta bio, Instagram recognizes this as spam and might block you. So just remove it for a bit, make your changes and then put it back up again. I think that's all there is to say. You don't have any stupid logos in there. You don't have any stupid branding in there. The only thing that's a little bit of a bummer is if you, let's say we open this website. Let's see if we can get that to pop up in our incognito tab. Yeah, the only thing here, this is in German, but for you it would be in English. There's just a cookie message that is from Canva itself. That's the only thing, and that's the only downside. If people first click on the site, they might see this cookie message. But other than that, I think that's okay to have that one for a beautiful branded Linktree. Yeah. If you have any questions whatsoever, please leave them in the comments. I will go through all of them. I will answer them all. And I hope you got some value out of this, and post your Linktree in the comments. Let us see what you came up with, what you created. And if you want to know more about Instagram or want to pay a visit to our shop, then just check the links down below. And that's it for me. See ya.